or the month or the year, then it's going to be give the same results. And we have something called as a date value also. What it does, it's going to be convert some of the date that is going to be stored in a text. Okay, that's going to be stored in a text, and to the serial number that Excel going to be recognize some of the date value. The date value, the basic syntax of the date value, and some of the date text we have. So this is this is string format. Okay, so corresponding to this, the date value as a string format, with respect to the hyphens or with respect to the divided symbol, with respect to some of the special characters which going to be included in the date. So what will happen if you give the date value? It will return the date serial number according to the date value as a text. Then it's going to be give some of the values in terms of setting of the format with respect to the DDY, and also the, you can say, MMDDY as the anti-clockwise direction, and also the normal direction we're going to be specified. So these are very simple basic examples with respect to the date value. And something called as a today. So today is going to be help us. It's just going to return some of the serial number of the current date what we have. So if we take this example consideration, today we have some number, it's going to be given with respect to the today's date, and today's plus a2, so it's going to be calculated with respect to the next 10 days what we have, and the date today, it's going to be give as which date it is, and it's also month return the value if you want to be specified, year if you want to be specified with corresponding to that. That's a basic difference between any kind of you can say any kind of operators in the today's date. Okay, so yeah, so now is also very interesting operator, I can say, in the return some of the serial numbers of the current date and also the timestamp with respect to that. So now we're going to be help us to return any kind of now, like current date and also the current timestamp you want to be showcased. Like now is a basic syntax just for understanding. You just declare some of the parameters according to it. If you want to be showcased as a date and also the timestamp, you can declare by using the date and timestamp. And a weekday is going to be help us whenever you want to be retrieve some of the weekdays. So you want to be retrieve the weekdays, and you can specify with the serial number according to the any return time you want to be showcased. So I have a two dates here. Okay, so I want to return with regarding the a2 value. So the weekday is the equal to weekday, and whatever the date format we had, it will return what exactly the weekday is. So except by default they consider this is the seventh day of the weekend. So that's the reason we're going to be get as the weekday. And if I give a2, that this is the value I'm just passing to the weekday, and comma 2, comma is nothing but it's going to be written some of the type. Return type as a two specified, that is a Monday, and this corresponding to the seventh. I mean the seventh is the Sunday, right? Hence it's going to be written as a six as a Saturday. Then if you want to be specified any number with respect to this date, okay, the weekday it's going to be calculate. So weekday function is going to be works out stored as a text, obviously. Similarly, you can also specify it by using any kind of the date.